Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming model and warranty, then gather a good USB cable, original or rated 5V/2A adapter, and a small Phillips screwdriver. First, try a known good cable and adapter. This rules out the simplest failures immediately. Next, visually inspect the speaker's charging port for lint, corrosion, or bent pins, and gently blow or use compressed air to clear debris. If you have a multimeter, measure adapter output. Once you verify 5 volts, move on to internal checks. Once done with external checks, power down and remove screws using appropriate bits. Pry seams gently to expose the PCB and battery. You will now inspect for lifted traces, cold solder joints on the USB jack, and swollen or punctured battery cells. These explain most charging failures. Use a multimeter to test battery voltage and continuity from the USB jack to the charging IC. If the charging IC shows no 5V input or outputs, consider replacing the USB jack or the charging board after desoldering carefully. You now replace any faulty components: a new USB jack, charging board, or battery depending on diagnostics. Solder cleanly and secure connections. Reassemble the enclosure, reconnect battery, and charge for 2 to 3 hours while monitoring the LED behavior and voltage. If the speaker still won't charge, perform a soft reset or firmware refresh if available, and as a last resort contact JBL support or prepare for battery replacement. If problems persist, check for heat or short circuits. Those signs mean stop and get professional help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.